If you're a curvy girl, then you definitely know that getting high quality jeans that fit your body without any gaping around the waist and without any funny fit around the bum and thigh area is like searching for gold. It's so difficult, you guys. The struggle is real. If you're a curvy girl, you know the struggle is real. So in this video, I'll be sharing how exactly I thrifted and DIY'd my way into the perfect pair of blue jeans that fit my body perfectly. There's no gaping anywhere around the waist, and I'm going to show you all that process in this video. In the meantime, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I'm going to have to ask you to please do that. Subscribe, just hit the red button that says subscribe below, that red one. Simple, easy, free of charge. Just click that button and you're in. I make simple, minimalist style and beauty content here on YouTube and on Instagram and on my blog and everywhere else. So yeah, it's good vibes all around. Just subscribe and let's get into today's video. If you are a thrifter or a vintage shopper, then you know that vintage stores, thrift stores are where it's at when you want to get quality stuff. Now, if you have the access and the money for Levi's and the rest of them, then absolutely do that. I live in Lagos, Nigeria, and quality jeans are not so common here. I know we have a huge market, we have a huge open market system where you can get jeans for cheap, right? But you know those high quality, Levi's level type jeans, you can almost only get it in thrift market here. So I've come to know that in order to get quality jeans, especially the curvy woman, you need to look at jeans that don't have too much elastic. So the actual advisable combo is something between 70, 80, 90% cotton and maybe something else and just 2% elastin. Elastin is like the component that makes your denim stretchy. So quality jeans usually don't have any or have just 2%. That's like the sweet spot of firmness and elasticity. So I went thrifting and got a pair of jeans that fit into my criteria or what I wanted for the most part. It fit my bum and thigh area perfectly, only that the waist was of course bigger and it was a little longer than my length, as in my legs. So I had to take it in around the waist and then also fold it around the legs so that it's perfect for me. I got this, the brand is Kingfield. I don't know why I've not been able to reset, but the brand is Kingfield, and for some reason it didn't have like proper sizes, so I suspect it's like, I don't know, men's jeans. Anyway, the jeans quality is super great and it's firm. There's no elastic whatsoever. But I really liked this is 100% cotton, so there's no elastin, and it's really firm and strong, and the wash is this perfect classic shade of blue. Anyway, I really like the jeans and I bought it for like, I think 1,000 naira. That's how cheap quality jeans are when it comes to thrift stores. So in case you are like still iffy about thrifting, you are missing out. Thrift stores, thrift markets, thrift whatever, that's where it's at. Anyway, I got the jeans and then I went straight to DIY. So I'm going to show you the process that I used to take in my waist area. These steps are really simple. I of course learned them on YouTube and I've done them on one other pair of jeans that I have, but I'm going to show you that process in this video so that you can see how I took in the waists of my jeans without any bulginess or bulkiness around the waist area. So let's get into that part of the video. So after my little DIY exercise, you can see that the jeans now fit way better. Like that gaping around the waist is no longer there, and I left the length a little longer than I normally would, a little lower than my ankles where I've cut it at, and I also folded it so that, you know, it didn't have any visible demarcation from where I cut it. So I did use an Obioma. An Obioma is like somebody who, like a mobile tailor. So I used an Obioma to do this one because I don't have a sewing machine, but all the measurements and the cutting and the fitting I did myself. Now I have the perfect high-waisted blue denim that fits my curvy ass, my thighs, my waist, my bum, my legs. Everything is happy. These jeans fit so perfectly well. So if you're a curvy girl and you're looking for jeans, try Thrift Market. I promise you there are tons and tons of quality jeans. Just remember to look for classic washes like this one that I showed you. Classic wash, blue, and make sure that you read the label. If you check the label of your jeans, you usually find the mix of that fabric. They usually write it in some small white label. This one is here, and I can see that it says 100% cotton. So if it's a mix, you find maybe 100% cotton, 20% XYZ, and 2% elastane or whatever. Yeah, so that's basically what you should look out for when you're buying jeans. If you're in Lagos, then Yaba or Katangwa, or go online. There are tons of online stores that sell good quality jeans. There's all sorts of denim and a few others. I'm going to link them in the description bar. Please check them out. They're in Nigeria and they're doing so well. Our Nigerian thrift stores, they're really coming up and they're really trying. Like, you know, there are lots of things you can get from there. But I absolutely promise you, you're going to find a high quality pair of jeans if you look at the thrift market. So that's basically how I thrifted and DIY'd my way into the perfect pair of high-waisted, long, classic, wide-legged, awesome blue jeans, and I'm super pleased with how it came out, and this is now my favorite pair of jeans ever, and I so love it. You can always DIY or tweak any part of the jeans that you feel need some alterations. And yeah, that's basically it. You guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please do that before you go. Just hit that red button and subscribe below. Just hit it and you're in. Very simple, easy breezy, free of charge, and I really appreciate it. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.